first helicopter, and this is gonna be like our first time up that high without an airplane. Usually we're on an airplane. This time we're on a helicopter.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
He's nervous.
He's very nervous to go on a helicopter, but super fun.
Suddy's gonna fly it.
I'm gonna fly it.
Yeah, so he's gonna fly it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ride of your life.
Guys, that was amazing! We saw things we wouldn't see from the ground. It was awesome!
Yes.
Yeah, so you could see like we were over the Niagara Falls, and he literally tilted us sideways, and I had a great picture of the Niagara Falls.
It was really fun when he kept tilting us sideways, and I got a great view of the Niagara Falls and
You were sitting in front.
Ferris wheel.
Oh, you saw the Ferris wheel, Clifton Hill, and you were sitting in front.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was cool to see Clifton Hill all together in one like photo, and then you could see the Niagara Falls in the background. It was awesome.
We could see the whole city from up there.
Yes.
We saw everything we did. I saw Marine Land.
I saw Old Buffalo too.
You saw Buffalo.
Also Buffalo.
I saw the Aero Car. I saw everything up there.
Everything.
That was awesome. So we highly recommend taking a helicopter tour if you want to do something that's really out of the ordinary and spectacular. A helicopter ride. If you're going to take a helicopter ride, this is the place to do it.
This is the place.
If you
right
want
here.
something extra special for your family, this is something you want to look into.
Yes. So that's it, guys. That was our helicopter ride. It was amazing. See you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.